I've always wanted a cat. I finally got one. Oh man, as you could tell by the title and the thumbnail of the video, truck is gone. And I'm really upset about it. First let me pack a lip before we get into it. My truck meant a lot to me, even though it was a shit box. I don't know, some people just look at them as vehicles, but I think it meant you know, a lot more to me than that. Some of y'all probably know what I mean. I've done a lot to that truck, and there's still a lot I wanted to do to that truck. So much blood, sweat, and tears into that thing. It is what it is, you know. I can't change it. So pretty much, I was on my way to get some materials to finish this job. It was around like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm just driving down the highway, heading to get some more material, because I was gonna grab the material, go back to the job, finish it. That way I wouldn't have to work Sunday, because this was Saturday when it happened. The way I'm approaching the intersection, you know, this light's green, so you know, I'm just driving normal. So there was a vehicle coming from the other side of the highway, and I was coming this way, and there was an intersection right here. And as I was as I was coming through the green light, she just turned. I don't know if she was going to try to make a U-turn or cut through or what, but she just pulled out right in front of me. I don't know if she wasn't looking. Like, I honestly don't know what was going through her head. The road was kind of wet, but even if it wasn't wet, there was no way I wasn't going to hit her. I on the brakes to try to turn the wheel to miss her, but she just kept coming, and bam. You know, it all happened so fast. God, it just sucks, man. I'm really tore up by it. Like, that was my baby, you know. I had a lot of memories in that truck, and man, it sucks so bad. Thank God nobody was hurt. You know, the other driver didn't get hurt. We didn't get hurt. Everybody was fine. I guess that's the main thing that matters. I guess y'all gonna see some more content of old Red back here, because she might make a comeback soon. But yeah, it sucks, and I haven't posted in a while, and I just want to let y'all guys know what the hell was going on. And yeah, man, I don't know, shit sucks. I'm probably gonna start messing around with old Red right here. Here soon, I'm gonna start pulling the trans out, send it off to go get rebuilt. Still gonna need quite a few things to get on the road and whatnot, but I don't know, she might make a comeback. Hopefully here soon I'll have some content up of old Red. See if we can do a little something with her. Cause you know, we're gonna need more content, and I need something to work on to keep me sane. But yeah guys, with that being said, I do appreciate y'all watching the videos, and you know, we're gonna have some more content out there soon. I ain't gonna let this stop me. It's just one little bump in the road, you know, we'll get over it. The old Chevy will be missed, but we'll come back soon. Yeah, everybody have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.